Welcome to Question of the Week. Today we're going to be talking a little about how we can help you with finance on your new Audi from Fontain Motors. So you're looking to buy a new Audi, but you may not want to pay for the full amount in advance. You want to finance some or all of the price of your new car. At Fontain Motors, we can help you with that. There are two main kinds of car finance that we offer. The traditional sort of car finance, an HP or a hire purchase, is a common one you may well have heard of. This is a very simple kind of car finance where the amount that you want to borrow, say it's a £30,000 car, you're putting in £10,000. The £20,000 that's left is split over an even number of months. You pay the same amount every month, and at the end of the agreement, you own the car outright. There's no particular mileage restrictions or return requirements because the car's going to be yours. This is also a very flexible kind of finance that a lot of people do not know. You can use it like a mortgage or a credit card in that if you want to, you can make overpayments at any point during the agreement. And you can use that in two ways. You can either overpay to make your monthly payments smaller, or you can overpay to make the agreement end sooner and you own the car outright sooner than you otherwise would have done. The other very popular kind of finance today is a PCP, or personal contract plan. This is where, effectively, the finance company buys the car on your behalf. You agree with them that you're going to own the car for a certain number of months and cover a certain number of miles in that time. This allows you to have a lower monthly payment, or perhaps afford a car that you might not otherwise have been able to, and cover an agreed amount of miles. With a PCP, at the end of the agreement, as long as you have not gone over your mileage limit and the car remains in good condition, you can simply hand the car back with nothing further to pay. Obviously, this is just a very high-level view of these finance agreements, and if you do want to read more about them, or indeed look at our online quoting, we'll put a link in the description below to our website where we've got an online finance calculator and you can read through all of the detailed information and terms and conditions. If you're looking to get a quotation for a car we have in stock, you can visit either of our desktop website or our mobile site. They both have really easy to use finance calculators online that will give you a detailed and instant quotation. You can even apply for the finance online if you want to. Visit either of our websites, desktop or mobile, press the big blue button that says Finance Quote, and on our online calculator you can enter the amount you want to put in as a deposit, how long you want to finance the car for, and how many miles, roughly speaking, you expect to be doing in a normal year. You can also tailor it to your own credit score, and the calculator will then give you an instant, detailed quotation for a PCP at the top and a hire purchase underneath with all the information about those that you might need.